Well, hey there. It's Monday, October the 18th. It's Mercury Jupiter direct day. My name is Kat. You're watching the Soul Sister channel. I got all kinds of good news to share with you today, but before we get started, we are going to become balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We can see, we visualize all the darkness, all the negativity, all the toxicity. We see it flowing out of our bodies, just flowing away. And in its place, we see our bodies being filled with this beautiful white light made up of white light, love, and the will to good. This white light not only fills our bodies, but we see it going out and forming a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is going to deflect all evil, low vibration, all negativity. It's deflecting it back to its source. While we are in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Libra affirmation. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me from my path. We're going to say the affirmation together, and then we'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say the affirmation. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me from my path. Great, great. And in these last days of our Sun in Libra affirmation, we are in the final days of it, because Friday the Sun moves into Scorpio, and we'll have a whole new affirmation. I'll also have a new 15-minute guided meditation for those of us who would like assistance in the meditation area. But today, let's talk about, it's like, whoa, let's get going. It's like, Katie, bar the door, we're out of here. Mercury is direct today. Jupiter goes direct today. The vibes were starting to flow again. Thank goodness. As I said yesterday, retrograde season is almost coming to an end, and now we are putting everything that we have learned during our introspective months into practice. So, with Mercury going direct, that's pretty simple. Our communications are gonna get to where they need to go now. Our plane's gonna get us where we need to go now. Now with Mercury, we are back in sync with that Mercury direct energy. So anything with communication, travel, exchange of information, all of that is going to go much better starting today. Now we also have Jupiter going direct today, and with Jupiter retrograde, we were learning to depend on ourselves, our internal selves, more and less on everything out here. So, part of the Sun in Libra affirmation, getting aligned with our purpose and staying focused on that purpose. That's kind of what we're talking about with this Jupiter going direct, realizing that the power, and this is going to be the keynote for the sun in Scorpio coming up on Friday. Power, all permanent power is held within ourselves. Any power that's out there, any power that's put over us, it's temporary. So with Jupiter, we have learned, hopefully, to contact that power, that faith, that connection to the whole. And we're learning that it's all starts here. Hopefully, that's what we learned from the Jupiter retrograde energy. Keynote for the Soul Sister channel, Life is Lived from the Inside Out. Same thing. Now, today, Jupiter is direct and we're feeling optimistic, we're hopeful, we're seeing all kinds of new opportunities available to us that weren't there or we just didn't see before. So our faith in ourself is renewed, our faith in humanity is renewed. Let's face it, we haven't been real happy with what's going on with humanity lately, but now we're seeing the hope. We're seeing how working together we can get through these challenges, these obstacles, not only get through them, but we can create a society that is viable and sustainable. But we're going to have to try some new things. We're going to have to go in new directions, because that's that Aquarian energy. The answers are probably not coming from the past unless we're gleaning wisdom from them. So this is Jupiter, and we are ready to go, man. We are so excited today for those of us who've been working on starting that new relationship or taking it to the next level, a more committed level. To those of us who we're entertaining new job opportunities, we're ready to go apply for that job. For those of us who are making life changes with our children, maybe we're homeschooling them because of what we've experienced the last year. Maybe we're choosing to stay at home and work from home. Lots of big stuff we've had to work on these last months as the outer world has forced us to take a look to see what is important to us and to our happiness. And now we're ready to make that happiness happen. And today is the day. We're out of the gate. Nobody can stop us. And we're ready to go. And we will have success on today. We might get a little kickback, but our enthusiasm is going to push whatever it is forward today and tomorrow. Today and tomorrow are our productive days. So if we're ready to initiate something, to start something new, to present something, today and tomorrow are the days. And then everything gets shut down as we get to experience the good old Saturn and Aquarius square Uranus and Taurus energy, the old versus the new, the status quo. But we're not going to talk about that because today's Monday and everything is great today. Oh my gosh, I can see the light. The clouds have parted. The sun has come out. It is tomorrow. What a great, great day. And we are going to experience a lot of success with whatever it is that we have been working on. Eagle Spirit. Spirit has your back. Don't forget our most important ally. Hummingbird Spirit, be here now. And Dolphin Spirit, this and that are true. So our advice for today is, hey, I always say this, hey, don't forget Spirit. But Spirit is our greatest shotgun rider, our greatest teammate. Spirit has our back. Spirit has our answers, and all we got to do is discipline ourselves to check in on a regular basis. Hence, the 15-minute guided meditation that you can get on the channel on the meditation playlist. If you need help, Hummingbird Spirit, be here now today. Today we are going to experience every moment. Jupiter is going direct. Every single moment today is an opportunity. Don't forget that. Every single moment. Take every moment. It's a whole new opportunity for something new, something outrageous, something bodacious. But you got to be here now. You can't be thinking about the past or the future or your hurt feelings or the nasty thing somebody said to you the other day. You got to be here now, Spirit says, to get the good stuff. And Dolphin Spirit, this and that are true. And we have learned that. This is a lesson that we should have learned with the Sun in Libra. There is more than one truth. There's your truth, there's my truth, there's their truth, but we are responsible for our truth. And as we've worked with this Libra energy this last month, we have hopefully learned to consider all opinions, to entertain everyone's perspective, because we have found that this and that are true. If we have actually entertained everyone and honored everyone's perspective. So think about that today. Have a great Monday. I am so excited for us. May we experience lots of success and prosperity today. Enjoy, enjoy. And I will see you tonight at 9 p.m. for our forecast for Tuesday. Have a great day. Remember, life is lived from the inside out. Namaste.